Yeah, Farhan bhai, what do you think of that total?
Yeah, inshallah, we'll fight back. Inshallah, we have good batsmen. And inshallah, we'll change.
Last time 159 करे boys, okay?
Imad bhai,
Last time, so we can get this also.
Inshallah, we'll
Okay.
so Imad bhai, what do you think of that total 160? Is that gettable?
Yeah, quite gettable. We chased 159 last time we played around, so I think we should get it. Inshallah.
शुक्रिया आपका बहुत मैं आपका ममनून हूँ जो मैं मौजा खिलाया अदा कर दिया रहमान
Amir bhai giving a thank you note to all the fielders who dropped him. एक इमाद भाई से और कौन थे भाई छोड़े सो
अभी काफी साथ देते हैं
कौन छोड़े सिद्दीक तुम भी छोड़े अरे क्या बात है और कौन थे भाई तीसरे कौन थे आप भी थे अरे और कौन थे भाई
तीन पकड़ने वाले छोड़े
तीन ही थे
पांच उंगलियों वाले उनके पास ही मार सकते हैं भाई स्टंपिंग हो ही नहीं सकता
अच्छा एक स्टंपिंग भी थी आपकी अच्छा और क्या
डॉक्टर साहब के ना
डॉक्टर साहब के और हाँ डॉक्टर साहब के और डॉक्टर साहब थैंक यू वो दे रहे थे भाई आई वुड लाइक
बोल दिया ना
हाँ वो भी हो गया एक स्टंपिंग प्लस 3 कैचेस बट डॉक्टर साहब
रनआउट भी
एक रनआउट भी मिस था
मैं डेक्कन स्टैलियंस का काफ़ी ममनून हूँ और मेरी बैटिंग में मेरा क्रेडिट कुछ नहीं है जो भी है ये इन लोगों की देन है जिसकी वजह से मैं
सिर्फ टूर्नामेंट के टॉप स्कोरर हो गए लेकिन
अच्छा साथ ही साथ ये भी बोल दीजिए आप जरा टुवर्ड्स द एंड बहुत थक गए थे क्या सीक्रेट थी ये बात की
कैचिंग अप तेज
अरे भाई वो कहाँ है वो कहाँ है
एज इज कैचिंग विद यू
everybody watching the reason is that if you
just come out the box
if you see that right there all the young cricketers do not smoke if Dr. Saab was not smoking he could have easily gotten 100 today थक के आउट हो गए क्या बोल रहे भाई फिनिक्स वाले स्कोर 160 is that a good total are you guys confident of defending it
10 runs short.
10 runs short
Do our best.
इंशाल्लाह और उधर भाई छोटा इंटरव्यू दे दो आप भी
अरे नहीं बस
नेफर्स एन इंटरव्यू
पानी की
So, Doctor, what do you think of the total?
Total is pretty chaseable, and as I have mentioned in the SCCL side, that this is the most unpredictable team. They have made 2 upsets, and they are capable of doing it the third time too. As far as prediction is concerned, I hope that my team wins.
क्या एडवाइस दे रहे हैं कैप्टन जाने से पहले?
Yeah, they have to attack. Instructions are clear and cut. They have to attack from ball 1.
Good. So going for the goal, I guess. Hit out or get out. Chalo, all the best, guys.
Thank you.
So 54 runs required of 34 balls. Stallions in the game. What do you guys think?
Yeah, we're still in the game, sir. Inshallah, we'll chase it.
Abdur Rahman going really strong. Imtiaz bhai, any comments?
Shot, lovely shot. Lovely shot.
One more boundary while we're speaking. One more boundary by Abdur Rahman. Playing brilliantly over here. Brar bhai, there's a lot of hope here.
Alhamdulillah, inshallah. I think we're going to win.
Come on. This is a good match for the final. क्या है? Any comments from Mansoor bhai, Turab bhai?
Yeah, this way, please.
Yes, we are positive.
We take both.
Check out the beautiful cups. 49 of 30 balls. Beautiful partnership. I think this is very important. This partnership.
Yes.
Yeah, we've done the hard work. We need to finish it.
Come on. Five overs, 49. What do you think?
Difficult for the batting side.
But still, they're still in the game. You guys can't leave it at this time. This is gettable. This is not out of reach.
I know. The pressure is there. Hopefully in a over or two we'll knock out some wickets.
Okay, all the best.
Thanks.
$44 runs to win of 28 balls. It was Abdur Rahman who was just dropped at point.
Crucial catch.
Very crucial catch. What do you guys think? Are you guys?
Patience.
Who do you think is the favorite at this point? You guys still have it?
We can win it still.
All the best.
Bowling back.
That was a very important catch. A very crucial catch there. Overs 42 runs to win. Amir bowling. Pressure all around. 42 is gettable, but it'll take some hitting. Faced by the umpire. This partnership is going to be key. Abdur Rahman and Imad Bhai have done all the hard work. They need to finish it from here. 4 overs, 42 runs to win with 8 wickets in hand. It's gettable for the batting team. Khurshid Bhai, what do you think? 4 overs, 42 runs to win.
Maybe chase or not. I'll try to stop the runs.
Chaliya, very good, very good. Amir Bhai placing the field. He had a brilliant 77 today. But now he needs to do the job with the ball. Yeah, 4 overs, 42 runs to win. What do you think, Captain Salman? 4 overs, 42 runs to win. It's 23 balls, 41 runs now.
Good opportunity right now. But you can't say. Still, top class batsmen are still on the pitch.
Yeah, I think this is key, right? Both of these batsmen are set.
Yeah.
It's important for you guys to get them out.
One of them wicket will make a big difference.
Imad Bhai might try to let loose now. He's got his eyes set. It's a good shot. It's a very hot day here. It must be very difficult for Imad Bhai and the other batsman, Abdur Rahman. They've been running quite hard. It's a hot day, right?
Yeah, it's a hot day and
He's doing well, especially for his age. Imad Bhai is doing a wonderful job, running like somebody 20 years younger than him. Oh, swing and a miss. But these are expected at this time. How crucial do you think that catch was?
that catch was crucial.
Shot, Imad Bhai.
That was the winning catch. That would have taken.
You guys could have won that match right there.
Still hitting hard would have made a big difference.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Catches win matches. We have to see. The match is still not over. It's still 50-50. It's a very good game for a final. Big score.
Come on, Amir. No problem.
Big score put up by the Phoenix team, and Stallions are putting up a valiant effort to try and chase it. अरे बेहतरीन शॉट इमाद भाई थर्ड मैन पे से 4 रन ब्यूटीफुल शॉट अरे बहुत अच्छा शॉट that's a vacant area over there behind square still running very hard Imad bhai has been batting for a long time now must be tired. It's a very sunny day. (29 of 18).
50-50.
50-50.
Yeah.
क्या बोलते हैं मंसूर भाई? Who do you think is favorite right now? अपन ही है. क्या बोलते हैं भाई अभी? काफी क्लोज
बहुत क्लोज है क्योंकि उनके पास एक लेफ्टी बैट्समैन है ना उनके पास शामी
हाँ
मैच भी थक भी गए तो उन्हें आया तो मान लेता फ्रेश
Brilliant 4 again by Madbai. Madbai letting loose now. Madbai is letting loose. They could just take the game away now. So it was very close. $18 runs and 15 balls. And now the batting team is heavily favored.
144, 17 runs, 14 balls.
From 14 balls. 17 from 14. I think with the way they're batting, one hand on the trophy. How are you guys feeling?
Really nice.
थोड़ा एक्साइटमेंट बताओ भाई क्या है फाइनल है क्या है भाई वन हैंड ऑन द ट्रॉफी
Yes, inshallah.
That's a 6 wow
11 of 12 balls. 11 required of 12 balls.
what is this
And I had nothing to do with it.
very excited Deccan Stallions over here one hand on the trophy what do you think Ron 11 runs of 12 balls
Well, this is why we come to watch a T20 match, Bilal. Frankly speaking, what a match. You know, it deserved to be a final game. But I was thinking that Phoenix would win. But 160 runs were put up on the board.
for a final that's a big total
It's turned out to be a perfect grand finale. I tell you.
absolutely and the two people in the middle right now Abdur Rahman and Imad Bhai has played a brilliant sheet anchor's role he has started accelerating just when they needed it
56 or 42.
56 runs of 42 balls and he was behind the runner ball at one stage but the important thing was him staying in the middle
This is play towards point. 1 run.
I think I would say at this stage Stallions have one hand on the trophy just need to do as long as they don't do anything too stupid
It's for
they
them
should
to
win
lose.
it
It's for them to lose
it's
now.
absolutely for them to lose I think
Stallions to lose.
they've done all the hard work oh and brilliant shot there by Imad by another boundary well and truly on the way now
They have the trophy without the lid now.
I think this has pretty much sealed the deal. Honestly, this was
The lid on the cup.
very unlikely with 160 runs and they were only 14 runs in the first 4 overs. From there coming to a point where they might win this with 1 over to spare.
5 required from 9 balls.
Oh!
Imad has done the job for his team, hasn't he?
He's done a brilliant job, Imad Bhai.
He's brought his team to victory and what an inning.
Brilliant innings by Imad Bhai. I'm sure Imad Bhai you would have loved to stay there till the end but I think it's almost done.
I hope so.
It's almost done. What a brilliant inning for a final. Wonderful job. And a great game for a final. Standing ovation from the teammates. Standing ovation deserves it. What a brilliant innings for a final. Score boliye. 5 runs of 8 balls. That gold trophy, almost you can just write the Stallions over there right now. Brilliant runnings. Abdur Rahman is not taking it light, even though it's very few runs to get. It's nice to see the effort in running those doubles.
3 runs of 7 balls.
Just 3 runs to go. Just 3 runs.
3 runs of 7 balls.
Will it go to the last over or will Shahnawaz finish at this ball? That's the question at this time. Wide ball. Just 2 runs to win. Just 2 runs to win. आ जाओ भाई सामने आ जाओ There it is the winning runs Deccan Stallions are the champions. The Ibe Suzuki Cup 2013. Disappointment for Phoenix. Farhan bhai. Amazing match.
Amazing match. And
What a
finally
performance.
we have achieved. It's a great feeling here.
So this is the fourth tournament of SECL that you guys are playing. First time in the finals, and you guys have won it. Brilliant job. Ecstatic Deccan Stallions team. Ecstatic.
Hard luck, well played.
Guys, brilliant game. Hard luck.
Lots of hard luck. Very well played.
You guys did the hard work, but Stallions slightly better today. Let's have a quick word with Abdur Rahman bhai. बहुत अच्छी इनिंग जबरदस्त खेले आप. क्या है भाई अमर भाई? What is the reaction? It was a
रिएक्शन तो ऐसी था कि मैं मैच से पहले ही बोला कि डेक्कन स्टैलियंस दे आर कैसा बोलते हैं वो लोग दे सकते थे एंड दिए उन लोग
बहुत
अपसेट
स्पेशली आई थिंक अब्दुल रहमान और इमाद भाई बहुत बेहतरीन इनिंग खेले. बहुत ज़बरदस्त इनिंग खेले.
इमाद भाई हमेशा एक पिवटल रोल खेलते हैं आज भी खेले बहुत अच्छा रहा
And accelerated right when they needed.
Yeah.
Hard luck to you guys and thank you.
थैंक यू कोई बात नहीं नेक्स्ट टूर्नामेंट है
क्या बात है इमाद भाई?
Well done, guys.
First 4 overs, you guys were just 14 runs, chasing 161. And from there, coming out to win the final, chasing 161 runs. How does it feel?
It feels great.
What,
It was an exceptional change. 10 runs per over.
Brilliant. It was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
It was unbelievable.
It-
We didn't think we would win, but Alhamdulillah we won. All
And
praises to Allah.
especially a brilliant final,
Yes, worthy of a final.
worthy of a
Scored
final.
worthy of a final.
Score worthy of a final. Absolutely
Scored posted worthy of a final, and scored chased worthy of a final.
And
Alhamdulillah.
what an innings from Abdur Rahman and Imad bhai. What do you
Beautiful
guys?
innings by Abdur Rahman and Imad Bhai. Abdur Rahman obviously he was in his element today as always, but a very good inning by Imad Bhai. Very controlled and very responsible innings by Imad Bhai.
Absolutely
Alhamdulillah, very good.
Absolutely brilliant. होंगे अभी पूरे celebrations.
कहाँ रहमान तुम्हारी तारीफ करेंगे बोले तो.
जी भाई.
Bilal, give the camera to me. Let me take your interview.
अरे मेरा interview.
Yes, sir.
अरे let's take the interview of the ecstatic
Now
winning
the
team.
organizer. What do you have to say, Bilal?
In the beginning of the match, after that 160, I really thought it was very difficult for the Stallions. But kudos to Imad bhai and Abdur Rahman. They played a brilliant inning. In the end, winning with 1 over to spare in a final, chasing 160. It's amazing.
And which was the turning point, Bilal?
I think when Abdur Rahman got going, when he started hitting, because Imad bhai was playing a sheet anchor's role, 2 wickets had fallen around him, and he was trying to get stuck in there. When Abdur Rahman started hitting and Imad bhai let loose at the end, hitting that big 6 over mid wicket, and then those boundaries to follow.
A very good tournament you organized. A lovely finish, a very exciting finish.
Thank you, and thank
And
you.
by the way, which was the best sixer of the tournament?
I think that we'll have to check with the umpires who've seen all the sixes, but that 6 by Abdur Rahman was, I think, it's right up there.
Okay. Thank you so much. Lovely organization.
Thank you.